Order about 10 to 15% extra tile beyond the measured floor area to allow for cuts and breakage. Measure the room length and width precisely and multiply to get the area in square feet, then add 10 to 15% to that total for waste and pattern matching. Convert that adjusted area to the number of tile pieces by dividing by the tile coverage listed on the box. Then round up to whole boxes, because stores do not sell partial boxes. When deciding whether to use 10% or 15%, choose 10% for straightforward layouts with square or rectangular tiles and minimal obstacles, and choose 15% for diagonal layouts, patterned designs, small tiles, or rooms with many alcoves where extra cuts increase waste. Buy all the tile needed for the job from the same production run or die lot when possible so color and finish match, and if you must buy more later, try to purchase from the same store and check stock codes to reduce variation. Keep receipts and inspect boxes at home before opening so you can return unopened boxes if the store allows it, and label and store any surplus tiles in a dry place for future repairs. Common mistakes include ordering exactly the measured area and running short mid-project, which you avoid by adding 10 to 15% and rounding up to full boxes. Using different production runs without confirming a color match, which you avoid by purchasing all needed tile at once or keeping store codes to track the lot. And underestimating complex cuts around machines and cabinets, which you avoid by measuring around appliances and adding extra for waste, or temporarily placing appliances to measure actual gaps. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and locate tile professionals knowledgeable about layout and waste planning. And we also help contractors find work by listing project opportunities and allowing them to connect with homeowners. We host a discussion community where we and other members share installation tips, tile selection advice, and experiences to help you plan accurately.